In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a label in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so your labels stay organized and easy to find. First, log into your Gmail account in your web browser. Any modern browser works fine. Once you're signed in and looking at your inbox, we'll move over to the Labels area. Labels in Gmail appear in the left sidebar, underneath items like Inbox, Starred, and Sent. These labels are like tags that help you categorize emails without moving them out of the inbox, and renaming them won't change or remove any of your messages. Now hover your mouse over the label you want to rename. As you move your cursor over that label name, a small icon with 3 vertical dots appears to the right. Those 3 dots are the More Actions menu for that specific label. If your sidebar is narrow, just make sure your cursor is right on the label text so the icon becomes visible. Click the triple dots to open the menu. This menu controls label-specific actions. From here, select Edit. Choosing Edit opens a small window or panel where you can change the label details. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything, it simply lets you adjust the name. In the name field, type the new label name you want. Aim for something short, clear, and descriptive so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, if you're updating a work-related label, consider a name that matches the project or client. Renaming a label immediately applies to all emails that already have that label, so your existing messages will reflect the new name without any extra steps on your part. If you've used this label inside a broader system of labels, the updated name will appear consistently anywhere it's used. Once you're happy with the new name, click Save. Your changes take effect right away. You'll see the updated label in the left sidebar, and any emails or filters connected to that label will continue working as before, just under the new title. Label colors and nesting you already had in place will remain unless you change them later. That's it, you're done. You've successfully renamed your label in Gmail with just a few clicks. If you're organizing multiple labels, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Keeping your labels clearly named makes searching faster, your inbox cleaner, and your workflow much easier to manage. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.